Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a WebSocket server in OBS Studio step by step. A WebSocket server lets other apps connect and control OBS remotely, so let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. Next, click Tools at the top of the window. Then select WebSocket Server Settings. Check the box next to Enable WebSocket Server. If you want to protect the server, check Enable Authentication. Next, enter a password. You can leave the server port as the default value 4555. Then click Apply. Next, click OK. Your OBS WebSocket server is now running and ready for other applications to connect. And that's it. You've successfully set up a WebSocket server in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more OBS Studio tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.